where did you break that belief of statism in your own head? Like, how long were you a statist, and how did you get out of that?
Yeah, I voted. I voted in 2016. I think that when Obama got elected, I believed that he was an outsider, and I thought that it was significant that he had won. And I quickly learned that, he was just part of uh, the same group of people. He was selected, and it came pretty clear to me after he got elected, like how it worked. I mean, I think um, the fact that John McCain picked Sarah Palin as his running mate is sort of like solidified that Obama was going to win. I mean, they kind of put up a terrible uh, group to run against them. Even considering that elections even matter, which I don't think they do. Going back to 2000, when Bush stole the election, I remember I was in college at the time. I remember calling my dad and saying, "Are you watching this? Are you watching them? They're stealing the election, right?" And so I was aware of the corruption. And again, when Obama came in, I thought it could be something different. I did have a little hope. And when he didn't hold the Bush administration accountable for any of the war crimes that they committed, and I knew that he was just, part of the same club. So by the time we get to 2016, I had opened my mind to the issues with vaccines, which is kind of crazy to me that it took that long. But I voted third party that year. I saw Trump and Clinton as like the same. They're two sides of the same coin, and voted third party. And from that point on, that was when I really got into the natural law, the anarchy information, and I began to really detach myself from that system as much as I possibly can. Obviously, it's difficult for us to detach ourselves from it completely, but it's in my mind to definitely try to detach from it. So